Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to pass multiple models in single view in MVC. In MVC, we cannot pass multiple models from a controller to the single view. So we'll see with example how to do that one. Just open the Visual Studio. First we will create that one two class. That one will be the sale details, another one will be the sale items. First open the project, select web ASP.NET web application. Multiple model, just press OK. Select empty project and MVC. Press OK. First we create that one class, that will be the sale details. Here it will be the sale ID, customer name, barcode, and date time. And another one will be one more class we're going to create. That will be the sale items. Here also it will be the sale item ID. One integer, that sale ID. Item name. Unit price. And quantity. So just now we have created the two class, one is the sale details, another one is the sale items. Now going to create one controller, that one controller, just MVC 5 controller empty and home. Now you can see that here we have created that two class, one is the sale details and one of the sale items. And now we will try to pass this both the class from controller to view. So just create one view, that add view. So here once you will create that model, that times only you can pass one class, like if you write with a fully qualified name dot sale details, only you can pass like that, this one, because here you are going to use that model, it will be only one. So how you will do that one? First way is that you can create one view model. So just like create one more class and just name it as sale view model. There is one way is that sale view model, and here I am enumerable that will be the sale details, view model, and another one will be the enumerable sale items view model. Okay, so here you have created the one view model. So this view model you can pass into that view here. Okay. So once you are going to use that for each loop to display that sale items and sale details, just need to write here model dot that will be the sale details. Or here you can use that one statement that will be the using this one. Only you need to remove this one. This one is not required. That because it's not a enumerable. And remove this one also. One is that one, and another you can make a for loop with a sale items. This one. You can use that using and this one. And just remove this one. Here you can add that sale details. Okay. Now we are going to add some data. That will be the list of sale details, sale details, list of sale details. To new. Just add that one. Barcode is equal to 123. Customer name is to C1 and sale date time dot now and sale ID is equal to 1. Same we will copy and add 1 2 3 3 4 5. Then customer name C2 date time or 2 4 5 6 5 6 7. Here add 3 and 4. Now here it will be 3 and 4. Okay, same way we are going to add with sale items. Sale items, list of sale items is equal to new sale item, list of sale is equal to add new sale items and can add some data. This item name is equal to I1 and sale ID is equal to 1, quantity is equal to 1 and sale item to 1, unit price to 100. Now we have added already. Now going to create one object for view model sale item obj equal to sale Now I'm going to add dot sale details view model is equal to list of sale details, and this one, next one is the sale item details. I'm going to add that list of items, sale items. Now this value we are going to pass here. This is a sale view model. So now here you can see that in the also sale view model. Now here you can see that once we are passing that a sale view model. So in the sale view model we will see that one, but the object name is that created, that is sale view model, sale details view model. So we're going to paste here sale view model, and this one is the sale items view model. Just paste it. Now here you can write like that item dot barcode plus, you can concatenate like this. I'm going to display only that item dot barcode, and one more is that here also it will be the item dot, we can display that one item name. So now you can see clearly see here I am passing that two class. So first you have created that two class like a sale details. This one is the sale details, another one is the sale item. Now we are combining that two class into one class. That is a view model. So you can see here that here I am combining that two class into single model like a sale detail and sale items. And we have created two. So now this one sale view detail sale view models I am passing from that controller to that view. You can see here sale view model, and now in that view model I can collect that one that two different classes like what we have created like a sale details sale items I am displaying here. So just run one time, or we can write here sale details and this one, so it will be easy to understand sale items. Now run the application. See here it's, so we have to make one breakpoint. So we will just refresh it. Now you can see here is the sale details. This one is the barcode and this one is the items ID. Now you can see in the two different models into one models. So first we have created the two models, two different separate models, and now we are joining merge into one single model that is called view models. So now we'll see with another way to do same thing. The another way is that we are going to use that view data. So what need to change here, just comment this one, comment this one, and this one also make a comment. Now we will create that view data. Okay, view data, just we can name that is that like object remote, and this one is the yes. Another one is that sale details view model or sale items, or this one is the sale item. Now I'm going to return view, just only return to view. Now same one we are going to pass into index. So instead of this one, I'm going to write as I enumerable of sale details. because I'm using that one view data, so need to be cast. When it's a big complex type, so you have to cast that one. So same thing you have to copy from controller, that is that view items model. Same we'll copy here. Instead of model dot this one, as I enumerable of sale items. So now we are using that view data, so no need to use that one, that view model. Just delete that one. Now run it. Run the application. Let's see what value we'll get. Now you can see here we are getting the same output while we are getting in the previous one. Now we will see the another way to do this same things. The third way is that we are going to use the dynamic keyword. Just comment this one also. Now we'll use that dynamic keyword. So all the dynamic my item, my details and items. So my details and items equal to new expand o object the system dot dynamic namespace. Now we will add this to one. Just give the name change details equal to list of sale details, my details items dot sale items. So now I'm going to copy this one and same one we are going to pass through view. Now we'll check in that. See, we have created that one dynamic objects. So dynamic object, I am adding that a dynamic keyword like a sale details and sale items. If it's you are using that dynamic, so you can write anything. So it's a dynamic keyword. So I have added that one, and I have added that list of sale details and list of sale items. In that index view, in the view, what we are going to write, just only you need to write that one model or dynamic keyword. That's all. And here need to be changed. Here I need to write, just you have to write like a model, a dot, the name of that one, this one, sale details. So here it will become model dot sale detail. The same you have to copy here, that will be model dot sale items. That's only you need to write that a dynamic and that sale details and sale items. Now run the application and let's see what's the out. Now see the output is same. This one is the barcode or this one is the item. Now another way we are going to see, that is called tuple. So just remove this one and home.controller, just commented that one. Just comment this one and this one also comment that one. I'm going to use that tuple. Right here variable tuple sale details items equal to new tuple of list of list of sale details, and next one will be the list of sale items. Now here we'll add that one, list of details and list of sale items. Now going to return that view, the tuple. Now we'll change to index 1. So here we'll write that one, model tuple list of sale detail and list of sale items. Okay, so only same that no need to change so much things here, only need to change this one with the, because if you check the sequence, so it will be the item 1 and it will be the item 2. So only need to change here, because this one automatically it will be named that item 1 and this one will be the item 2. Just save it. Now run the application. Let's see what will be the output. Yeah, the output is the same. In the tuple also you have checked that one. All the output is same. So till now we have learned that one. First way is that we have created that view model. So we have bind that one, that are both of that models into one model. Another one we have studied that one, that is a view data. Same way you can use that view bag also. If you want to use that one view bag, so you can use that one also. And third way we have used it, that dynamic keyword. So first you have created that dynamic objects and binding that one, that with the dynamic keyword like a sale details and sale items. And last way we have seen with a tuple. So first we have created the tuple object in any number of items and any number of lists you can bind in the tuple. If we have one more, so you make a comma and add it, and here you can pass one more list. So here and then you are returning that tuple, and the tuple sequence is like a item 1 and item 2. It will depend upon that what value is writing that one. So first you are writing that sale details, that item will be the same sale details, and another one the sale items. So here item 2 will be the sale item. Another, if you write that one payment, so it will be the item 3. I hope it's a clear. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.